I'm Bill Caswell. Behind me is my mom's garage. This video is a Nick Lodge, some guy. Check his Instagram profile, that's what it says. Nick Lodge, some guy. Anyway, Nick, you wanted a YouTube series in the build, here it is. It's gonna go fast, it's gonna be dirty, there's not gonna be a lot of edits, I don't care. And let's go take a look, right? So, where are we? Sitting in mom's house, all pretty. Right, someone buy that, that's my 318, 325 ITS car, it's gotta go. That's my car, with competition package M3. Alright, now for the mess. As you can see, I cheated the intro, right? Because I did the work and then Nick said he wanted the video series and then I did the intro thing out there. It's pretty clever, huh? Originally bought this car so that my friends and I could do 24 hours of lemons, and I wanted something big, I wanted something safe, I wanted something fast that didn't appear to be fast. And generally really big cars have huge motors in them. So I figured a 750 BMW, the V12 would be nice, like 330 horsepower, probably like 285 torque or something. And I can make the electronics work, it's not that complicated. And then the thought was, cut all the steel out of it, right? Take all the weight out of the thing, take all the fancy seats out, take everything out, and then next thing you know, this huge car really isn't that big. See, there's our V12. Well, things got out of control. And not just taking simple sheet metal out and like gutting certain things. I decided to take like a whole set of doors out. So I decided to shrink this thing down to a 2-door. And take it down to a wheelbase that could actually lap racetracks, like something around a Miata or like a 911. And yeah, so in light of that, right, here's this. A 750 IL is 116-inch wheelbase. An E30, 101. Miata, 89. Lotus Exige, I missed that car so much. Yeah, I used to have one, it was the best. Such a dickhead banker with my orange Exige, but it was fun. 911, 96 and a half. I like that. Started right here, 20 inches would be all the way back to there. Yeah, that's a lot. And the roof will stay intact. And then it'll become like just a hatchback. And it'll be one giant thing. And then, the doors get welded together. But I'm gonna take 20 inches out of the rear door. Or maybe, Now pause, because I'm actually making this up as I go. I have no plans, so when I saw something, I'm like, I can do this like this. In the middle of filming, I just changed the way I'm gonna cut the rest of the back off, I think. I don't know, that's how this works. I'm just taking 20 inches right out of the middle. The nice, clean, straight cut. You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. Like originally I was gonna take 2 straight lines out of here and put it back together and then weld that, but cut out the door handle area. So like 10 inch, right straight down here, and then 20 inches forward to like here. Straight down, and then glue them together. And then I'll have one big door that's really only like 8 inches longer than the M3 that's outside. With the V12. And then the fender, I need to get one more bolt out, and then the fender's gonna come off, and I'm just gonna shim it out so I can fit 275 wide tires. Now we gotta decide where to take the 20 inches out, right? And I was gonna take it entirely out of the rear door area and leave the front door intact, have like a miniature rear door. Now I'm just going for one big super coupe, a giant 60-inch door. All right, here's where we're at. So I built this little stand all quick and dirty. There's some rusted up tubing sitting around, and this is gonna hold the back. I've already cut the back out of here, as you can see, right? And then made this cut down here. We gotta make the forward cut. I think I gotta power this car up to get that seat out. It's so stupid I didn't do that first. I'm just gonna lower this rear part by taking the air out of the tires. Maybe, I don't know, I just drop it down enough that it just it's right. The bigger problem is sectioning inside the shock tower. So like, I can get through there, and I can get all the way through there, and I can get through there, but there's a middle. One, I gotta get that sheet metal cut, or cut underneath there because I'm trying to leave this as one parcel shelf. I don't know why. I'm gonna end up maybe changing that. Other issues I'm having is the trans tunnel. These spot welds, this is all part of the center support bearing for the drive shaft. It'd be nice just to be able to leave that. So I'm gonna do some weird pattern where I come in and then up, and this whole thing will fit together. It's probably better to not. It's probably better to not have one continuous flat weld to the whole car, to actually have some like teeth to it, so that there's not a weld point to crack on. Even though I'm gonna reinforce the whole thing anyway. All right, back to the car. All right. How was that? Load this fucker in. I have no idea what's going on the other side. Yeah, I'm not flexible enough. This thing so much. Started cutting that, and then I got the Sawzall in there, and it went through that. And then it went through all that, and then it, oh come on, I'm not gonna get a light for that. But whatever, that dark hole, it went, you guys really want a light? Fuck it, it went through that hole. Meets. Look at that. Ah! Yeah. Hopefully. I just went through like that much, like this way, just yeah. To cut the car apart without being just super ghetto, I need to get the drive shaft out of there. Fuel lines, brake lines, I'll probably cut a bunch of those and just redo them when I'm done. Anyway, a couple more cuts, we should be done. Now we just gotta section the top through here. And we've cut from here to here, and I did the Sawzall job all the way through to there. I just need to connect these and this comes off. Important jungle on. everyone who's like, oh, it's a great build except for the stupid techno music. Sorry, man, it's my garage. I'm not doing this for you guys. Doing this, don't want to build some awesome cars. We had an explosion. My foot kind of burns. I think it melted my skin off. Yeah, it did. You guys don't want a YouTube series. It's just gonna be me driving around playing the fucking bass. Seriously, any YouTube series? It's just gonna be me driving around, doing stupid chores, building cars, partying. The nice thing is that even though I'm listening to Britain, who put together this set for the House of Bass, I think, YouTube doesn't pick up the music.